Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys exactly how I style my wig, from how I get my hair under there neatly and how I lay down those baby hairs. So if that's what you want to see, then just keep watching. Starting off with how I got my hair under the wig, I decided that for me personally it'd probably be best for me to brush it all the way back, split it down the middle, and just do 2 braids. Okay, so once I have it in the 2 braids, I actually just kind of fold them over and wrap them in the back of my head. I didn't show it after I did it, but you guys will see it under the wig cap exactly what I did. Now I'm going to be getting ready to go in with my Got To Be Glued glue. I take usually about that much to start off with and just spread it around in front of the wig cap. The point of this is to have just enough for it to be tacky so that the lace can stick down to your head and really blend in. So however much you think you need, I mean, this was my first time, so I kind of was just like going more by feel than any instructions or anything like that. But yeah, just spread it down, get a nice thin layer going, and get ready to put your wig on. now, as you guys can see, it is a baby hair time. So I pulled all my hair back, I got my baby hair set aside and ready to go, and then I'm going in with the same glue that I laid my hair down with to lay down those baby hairs. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. I hope you guys love it just as much as I do, because I know I am in love with this wig. Stay tuned for future videos, like, subscribe, and of course comment down below what you guys are thinking, what you guys want to see in the future, and see you in my next video.